Ever wondered how AI can learn from just a handful of examples, just like humans do? Welcome to Few-Shot Learning. Imagine teaching a child what a giraffe is by showing just 3 pictures. That's exactly what we're talking about. But how does this actually work in AI? Few-shot learning is revolutionizing how artificial intelligence learns, making it more efficient and human-like. Instead of requiring thousands of examples, these systems can learn from just a few instances. But what makes few-shot learning different from traditional machine learning? The key lies in its ability to transfer knowledge from previous experiences, just like humans do. When you see a new type of chair, you don't need hundreds of examples to recognize it. You already understand the concept of chairness. How does this translate to AI systems? Few-shot learning uses sophisticated neural networks that create detailed representations of objects, allowing them to identify patterns with minimal examples. Think of it as teaching AI to fish instead of giving it fish. What are the real-world applications, from medical diagnosis with limited patient data to facial recognition with few photos? Few-shot learning is changing the game. Want to dive deeper? Check out these resources. 1. Meta-learning, Learning to Learn Fast by Lillian Weng. 2. Matching Networks for One-Shot Learning paper by DeepMind. If you found this explanation helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily videos on AI and quantum computing.